Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Living with SAS series. This is the last of the podcast. In this podcast, we'll be discussing about managing your personal finances using SAS. Now, look under the solutions, under analysis. You'll be able to find investment analysis. This is a tool in SAS that allows one to manage their personal finance. If you right click, select investment new, you'll be able to see that there are several types of finance. Under the instrument, select loan. Now you can first specify your loan amount as maybe 200,000. You may select the interest rate initially. Select the periodic payment amount. Select the number of payments. There are other options such as initialization, prepayment, balloon payments, rate adjustments, and rounding off. Now, using the information we have just inputted, we can actually create an amortization schedule which clearly shows the amount that you have to pay every month, as well as the principal repayment amount, as well as the interest payment amount. Now, this is useful if one is actually applying for a housing loan. Let's click OK and rename it as housing loan. Now let's right click and select investment again. We can select savings, select the periodic deposit that we would like to deposit into our savings account, select the number of deposit, maybe say 100, which is about 10 years, and we may select an initial interest rate of maybe 0.3%. Once you have selected the amount, you may select Create Account Summary, in which it creates the information about the amount of money that you have saved, and as well as the interest rate that you will earn every month. Now, this is a very useful tool for you to calculate the amount of savings that you need given a particular interest rate. You may select OK and choose to put it as personal savings. Bear in mind that the names here has to follow the SAS convention and spaces are not allowed. Now right click and select investment. Okay. You select new and you may select a bond. Now with a bond, it's a financial instrument that you would like to have when you're old, and something that gives you a regular payment as the years goes by. Now let's input some information to calculate some of the amount that we can expect to have. Now, under Analyze, what you're interested to know is the risk of holding on to this bond. Now, there are many information here that is critical for one to analyze whether a bond is priced correctly and at what kind of differential would it be important for one to take note of the value of the bond itself. Thus, SAS investment analysis allows one to analyze their investment in a very robust manner. Thank you to those who have been following this podcast, and this will be the last podcast for the series. I hope that we will have more podcasts in the future, and thank you for tuning in. Thank you.